Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you'll appreciate that video trying to run through a few markets I'm looking at the moment. I've done analysis over the last weekend and another checkpoint on Tuesday, and trying to see how we go and where we are heading for the end of this week. So looking first at the coffee market. Still in that bear flag here. The flag is getting quite extended, so it's almost really ranging at the moment between the 121 and 114. No clear direction to me. Still potentially able to break out or break down and go for that scenario where a long entry could actually be made on the 99 or 100 level. So still on the sideline on that one. Keep looking at it, and potentially we'll have some resolution of that range in the coming days. So keeping definitely an eye on this. Natural gas has been quite interesting. So that uptrend line is not valid anymore. So it got basically broken down here, and the price is now moving below one of the support was 178. So I did actually start edging in that area. We actually broke the trend line, so I'm going to keep that short position cover until we actually break above that level, which is 178. I think because the RSI is still having some quite a fair bit of momentum, we are probably going to visit the 200 MA here on 170 before potentially resuming the move up. So maybe somewhere here on the RSI, so the divergence here. Now we're pointing up here. Potentially another drop from 173 to 160. That should be key support, and hopefully it doesn't actually get broken down, or else we'll have to switch back to the daily chart and look for a new divergence again, and making potentially new lows in that area. But yeah, hopefully we might resume the trend and up here and trying to reverse for good and break out, but we'll see. Crude oil WTI has been very difficult to trade once again. Too much volatility. I was looking at that trend line here, capping the price, so I made a couple of short entries here, but because of the volatility I couldn't actually set a proper stop loss somewhere safe enough, and I got stopped out somewhere, I think, above that high here on that spike, and then the price went down again. So we'll stay away from WTI for now. Just don't have clear visibility. I mean, the trend is down, that's for sure, but because of the spikes and this erratic movement up and down, it's almost impossible to secure any trade. So might be ranging here, going down in that triangle until we actually break it down for good. So I'll wait somewhere here, potentially make a short entry should we break the 25, but again it will have to be with reduced volatility, so we can start putting some stop loss without getting stopped out too easily. On weight, interestingly, we got that trend line broken a bit earlier than expected, so we didn't get that push to 140. I broke out here, not big move, but potentially continuation of the uptrend. My stats, maybe drafting something like this, but yeah, it's still to be confirmed as a new support, but potentially that's what could happen. On sugar, no much changes since my buy signal generated by that divergence here. I think that was clearer on the 4 hours. Yes, between here and there. Yeah, you can see it on the 1 hour anyway, but so looking at that point, it could still drop a bit lower, but again, because of this, just draw it again. Sorry about that. Yes, that divergence here pointing there, so might still go and drop and make another low below 10 and still be in divergence, but we'll see. It's ranging at the moment, moving up and down, so there's no clear breakout made yet, so I'll have to wait a bit longer on that one. And cocoa, the final one. Still looking at that trend line here. That exit here got invalidated, so that bull flag as well. It stopped basically on that resistance and push back down to the previous one before the break out. So it's not really uncommon to see that kind of breakout, then revisit on of the previous resistance becoming support. So as for today, it's bouncing slightly but not convincingly, but at least on the RSI it didn't go through. So for the next few days, I would be seeing it potentially ranging somewhere like this between that level here and trying to see some less volatility until we actually get proper breakouts higher here to the final target. So we'll see if it goes that way, and keep still stop loss underneath just in case we break that trend line, but that doesn't seem to be the case at the moment. So yes, that's about it for today, and hope you had a successful trade, and probably get some other analysis done over the weekend, looking at the court report and see if there's any major changes. And until then, I'll see you later, and hopefully you get success with your trade. See you, bye.